National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mason County, Robertson County, southeastern Bracken County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located from 7 miles southeast of Brooksville to 10 miles northeast of Cynthiana, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lewisburg, Mount Olivet, Sardis, U.S. Route 62 at State Route 875, Blue Licks Battlefield, Abigail, Murphysville, Eureka, Alhambra, Stonewall, Maze-Lick, Mitchellsville, Santa Fe, Peed, Fleming Mason Airport, Lowell, Helena, Kenton Town, Piqua and U.S. Route 62 at State Route 616.